We've all seen pictures like these scattered around the internet and social media. Plastic is taking over and polluting our earth, and there needs to be something about it before we kill every living creature on it. The use of things like plastic grocery bags dramatically adds to the amount of pollution, and it's showing up around the globe. I personally use reusable grocery bags, and I like not having bags inside of bags inside of bags in my cabinet underneath my sink anymore. I'm going to tell you today about this issue and what can be done about it, starting with the statistics and the impact as a whole, and then moving on to our simple solution, reusable bags. According to plasticpollution.org, there was an estimated 299 million tons of plastic produced in 2013. Where does this plastic end up? Around the world. Healthguidance.org says that there's an estimated 300 million plastic bags in the Atlantic Ocean alone, affecting mammals, our water, and the humans who eat these mammals. According to the EPA and citizenscampaign.org, between 500 billion and 1 trillion plastic bags alone are consumed worldwide each year. These bags are used for an average of 12 minutes. TheWorldCounts.com has additional statistics like the number of bags produced. Right now, it's almost 5 trillion this year worldwide, and only 1 to 3% of these are recycled. They also have a statistic showing tons of waste dumped in the oceans, which is almost at 2 million this year. And they have tons of waste from households, which is over 1.5 trillion this year. TheWorldCounts.com also stated that there are 100 billion plastic bags used each year, which equals to over 300 bags per person. Now, when I first heard this statistic, I was like, there's no way that we could each be using 300 bags per year. But if you go grocery shopping once a week and you use 10 bags when you go grocery shopping, it adds up fast. Next, I'm going to move on and tell you about the impact. During my audience analysis survey, I asked my peers if they knew the effects of plastic bags on the environment. One person said that they weren't exactly sure about the impact, but they knew it wasn't good. And the other person said that plastic bags are terrible for the environment because they end up in landfills. One other person said they don't decompose, unlike eggshells and other materials. My second question was, how would you feel if grocery stores started charging for each plastic bag used? One person said that they would be more obligated to bring their own bags. One person said they would start bringing their bag more often, that they usually purchase plastic or paper bags at Aldi if they forgot theirs, but that they know that they needed bags so they didn't hesitate to purchase them when they forgot. The last person said that they would be obligated to bring their own bag. You see it on social media all the time, pictures of turtles with straws stuck in their nose, or their shells are deformed from those plastic or pop can plastic things that hold them together. There's a sea life exhibit at the Mall of America in Minneapolis where it shows jellyfish in their tanks, and it kind of has some black lights and some cool stuff going on, and it takes you a little while to realize that some of the tanks actually have plastic bags in them, and that you can't tell what the difference between a jellyfish and a plastic bag is. And if we can't tell, there's obviously no way that animals who eat these jellyfish and that sort of thing can tell the difference either. These fish, the fish that we eat in the ocean and our lakes and everything, they ingest the little plastic particles, and we are starting to ingest them, and they're starting to outlaw that, as well as putting the little beads and makeup products and that sort of thing. Here's some more pictures. How about bad does it have to get before somebody does something about this and before we take this matter seriously? It takes a simple Google search of plastic pollution to see how terrible of an impact that this is making on our world. So on to the solution. What is the solution? It's simple. buy reusable bags. I buy cloth ones. They last forever. They're super durable. Hawaii was the first state to ban plastic bags at grocery checkouts unless they're either compostable or they're being used for medical or sanitary purposes, and they have to be that way. California recently passed a statewide law requiring stores to purchase plastic bags. They have to be charged for them, and other cities have done the same. In Chicago, it's 7 cents per one little plastic bag. Aldi's has always done this. They do 10 cents, but it's a better quality bag. It's a little bit bigger. It's a thick, nice plastic material. My grocery bags that I buy are much bigger than a regular grocery bag, at least twice the size, and they cost me 99 cents. I shop at Target for my groceries and I get a 5% discount per bag that I use that's a reusable bag while I'm shopping. I did the math and it would take me 7 times of grocery shopping with my reusable bags to equal the amount that it would cost for one plastic bag that you would have to purchase anyway from the grocery store if those bags were 7 cents a piece. To me, I'd rather help my environment and pay that 99 cents, and it's so much more worth it. There are other things that we should use substitutes for. Water bottles, you buy a reusable water bottle and you don't have to keep buying the same 99-cent throwaway plastic water bottle. Don't use a straw if you're out and about or whatever and you want a straw. Use a reusable straw or a paper straw. I know even garbage bags, we use our dog food containers and just keep taking that out. In conclusion, the use of plastic bags and plastic are making a terrible impact in the world, and something needs to be done about it. After reviewing the statistics, the impact, and what could be done about this issue, it really is a simple solution. There's no denying the negative impact it has had on our environment and all of our well-being for the world. Let's work together to use this simple solution.